Okay, hey everybody. Today we're in Lake Bluff, Illinois. We're going to take a tour of this brand new home. It was just completed by U.S. Shelter. And today with me, we're lucky enough to have John Sorensen.
Hi Sean. The single family home, roughly 3,185 square feet, not including the finished basement. 4 bedrooms, 5 baths, a bath on the main level, so it could technically have a flex room, which could be a 5th bedroom. Oversized 2-car garage and a nice size lot here close to Lake Michigan.
Okay, there's a lot of beautiful finishes all throughout this home. John's going to call them out for us. Let's get started.
9-foot ceilings in this home, 7¼ inch base throughout, site finish wood floors throughout the entry and main level. Gel-Wen double hung windows, very low maintenance, operate from top down, bottom up, and they're oversized in this room with the abundance of natural light, 6-foot tall windows. So
There's a ton of natural light in here, you're right.
in the kitchen, we have under cabinet lighting, Dura Supreme cabinets with an inset door, kind of a shaker panel. Solid panel plus, everything's slow closed, dovetail construction. Subway tile, 3x6 subway tile backsplash, which is a nice accent. Thermador appliances, Polar apron farm sink.
I like that butler's pantry with the wine fridge and storage. And this island. Tell me about this island.
Yeah, I believe the color is pewter. It's the same Dura Supreme cabinet, just an offset. It makes the island look more like a piece of furniture with the base shoe and different color, and it just gives the kitchen a little more.
And what kind of countertop is it?
Yeah, this is a white pearl quartz. So we like quartz. It's man-made, very sanitary versus a porous stone or something. So for kitchens, they're very durable.
And of course the kitchen opens up to the great room. Love that. And what about this fireplace setup?
So the fireplace, it's a heat and glow fireplace. We like it because it's very energy efficient and easy to operate. Virtually no maintenance, it's a flip switch. We have accompanied the fireplace with a natural limestone fireplace mantle, kind of in the shaker style, matching our kitchen cabinetry. Within that space then, for the fireplace depth, we have accompanied it with some built-ins, again, cabinetry matching your kitchen, and shelving and colors drawing in from the kitchen island. So this room is a nice space. It could be a den, it could be that 5th flex room that I was referencing earlier. It could be an office, a study, a full shower, full bath, or 3/4 bath right next to it. Shower, porcelain tile in the bath, full vanity with a minuet quartz top.
I'll tell you what, John, I'm a big fan of mudrooms here in Chicago. I like this.
The flooring here is a little different. We brought in some of the brown, dark walnut style, but it's a porcelain. We have a built-in locker surround with hooks for coats and a utility sink.
Let's head upstairs.
Right.
So this is bedroom number 1.
It has its own bath, which is a nice flexible feature for guests or for children. A separate shower, toilet, vanity. We have what's called a tea leaf porcelain tile with quarter turn, so it kind of gives it some depth and dimension in the tile. Clean white subway 3x6 tile surround at the shower.
And we're now walking into bedroom number 2.
Every bedroom upstairs has access to a bath. We have the Jack and Jill bathroom here. Again, we brought in the tea leaf tile, consistency throughout the secondary bathrooms. We have a clean white shaker vanity, double vanity. So here in the master, we like this room. It's an oversized room. We do have a volume ceiling, a tray ceiling going up to 9 feet. Plenty of natural light coming in from the back. Site finish hardwood floors. Separate walk-in closet with laminate shelving. Then we go into the master bath, which has porcelain tile on the floor, a heated bath with new heat, warm toes. We have the limestone countertops, the Kohler soaker air tub, bubble massage tub, and a nice shower here with a walk-in shower with the heavy glass, frameless door, and multiple shower controls.
Now we're gonna go check out the basement.
10-foot deep foundation walls, meaning we end up with roughly a 9-foot ceiling separate from soffit and fascia. We have a full bath with shower, again, quartz tops. These tops down in the basement at both the wet bar and the vanity are Everest tops. barn plank fireplace surround. Again, we match the heat and glow from upstairs, so it puts off plenty of heat. We are in the basement, you flip it on, easy to maintain, and I can already feel the heat coming into the room.
Okay, so that's it. Hope you enjoyed the tour. It's so much better doing this with the builder because you get so much more detail in these videos. Anyways, US Shelter Homes. Home is located in Lake Bluff, Illinois. I'll put a link below, all right? See you next tour.